What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Hopefully you're subscribed. Like I told y'all, man, I'm back from LA. Well, I always go to LA. I'm a Laker fan. But I finally got a chance to go inside the Kith store in LA. Being that I'm from New York, you know we got two of them. We got one in Brooklyn and we got one in Manhattan. But the Kith store in LA is wonderful. It's like in a parking lot. The way it's constructed is so dope. They got the sneakers like in the middle of the store. So dope. I went in there, man, and I fell in love. I seen a lot of stuff that we be thinking be sold out online, but sometimes they be in stores, man. So Kith and Rocky collab, and it was a dope collab. I wish they would have did a little more. It was certain Rocky scenes I feel like they could have capitalized on, but the ones that they did were dope. So I went there and I got a couple of pieces of Kith Rocky, so we're going to get into that. Also, some of my week 1 Supreme things came. I want to show y'all that too. Yeah, man, for sure. This one in my hand, though, is the Kith Rocky Clubber Lang tee. If y'all don't know who Clubber Lang is, it was Mr. T. And I believe that was Rocky 1. That was like the dopest movie out of the bunch, I think. I like the new Creed joints. Before as Rocky 1 was dope, and the one with Apollo Creed was like the dopest to me. So this right here, Kith is dope, man. This one right here is the Clubber Lang tee in the white colorway. Through the camera lens, I know you guys can't see like the material, but this is not your regular Hanes Gildan material, and that's what I love about Kith. The thickness on the shirt is dope. So there you go. You got Mr. T, aka Clubber Lang, right there with the Kith logo at the bottom. Comes with a long hang tag like all Kith Monday program joints do, and I think this was $75. While I'm taping, StockX has these for about $125, anywhere between $100 and $125. So again, the Mr. TT, and as y'all can see, this one's a little bigger. Open it up, and it is the crew neck Rocky sweatshirt. This one here, can I remember this scene in the movie? This one here says his whole life was 1,000,000 to 1 shot with the Kith logo at the bottom. Again, I can't stress the material enough. The thickness on this sweater is dope. Spring is coming. You'll be able to wear this with no problem, no jacket, no tee under. It's just that material. So there go the logo there, large logo, Rocky Kith. It's dope, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about the Rocky Kith collab for the Monday program. The tee I really wanted was, and it's crazy because they gave me access Sunday before, and I'm searching, looking through, and that tee sold out with early access. So I knew came to Monday, I was going to have a hard problem on the website. I went, and I still didn't get it. Still sold out. But like I said, I went to Kith LA, man, and I was able to cop these two. That one still was sold out. Now, Supreme. I tell y'all, man, Supreme find our favorites in life and slap a Supreme logo on it. This one's a little different because the Supreme logo is actually in that candy logo. So that's dope. Say Best Buy December 31st, 2023. I don't think I'm never eating this anyway. But yeah, man, this is dope. The Supreme necklace candy. As I told y'all, I went crazy for week 1. And things are coming, but they come in slowly as they come. I'll put them in whatever video that I'm doing at the time. This one right here is the model tee. I only seen little pictures of it, but I knew it was something I wanted to have. It was the colorway I was having problems with. They have a million colors in this shirt. So this is the aqua blue colorway. And as you can see, the model is shaved with the S for the Supreme logo. And I brought this in 2 other colorways. Lime green, which I'm still waiting on, and I think black. But this is the model Supreme tee. What is this one? I don't even remember buying this one. I know what it is, but I don't remember buying this one. This one right here is the Supreme Racer tee, I think they calling it. It's dope. I just don't remember buying this one. Wow. So as you can see, it has like I guess a race car in there, the Supreme logo in the background, and the back reads, always open. Lime green colorway. I have a lime green Jeep Wrangler, so I always try to buy lime green when I can. This is the tees I'm waiting for. I got this Al Green tee in like 4 different colorways, and I'm waiting on all of them. I always try to get the picture shirt whenever it comes out, even if I don't like the person. I happen to like Al Green, but like I got like Mariah Carey, the Nicole Girl, Gucci Mane. I try to get every picture joint. And real quick, I want to shout out Factory Lace. It's a brand that came out with a sneaker cleaner. I'm going to do a review on this real soon, but the kit and the presentation is beautiful. It's just this real quick. If you're looking to get something that cleans your sneakers with a dope presentation, shout out Factory Lace, man. For a limited time offer, you could get 15% off this with the code NOTES15. NOTES 15. 15% off Factory Lace. I'm gonna leave the description link at the bottom. Go click it. Hit Notes 15. 15% off Factory Lace. The ultimate cleaning experience. Yeah, guys, that's a quick review on most of the streetwear that just came out. A little bit of what I did in LA. I even kept the receipt because this was my first time going to Kith LA, so I had to keep the receipt. I also brought some Calvin Klein Kith boxes. I just was so happy in the store, man. So happy in the store, man. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Again, Notes 15 get you 15% off the ultimate cleaner from Factory Lace. The link will be at the bottom. Click the link, it'll take you straight to their website. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.